This is the inspiring story of a poor young man who refused to give up despite the struggles of life. People laughed at him simply because he had no money. He walked the long distances to school, studied while hungry, and faced many difficult moments. Even when life became painful, he kept one thing alive inside him: hope. This motivational story reminds us that your current situation does not determine your future. Hard times can build strength, character, and success. Never stop believing in yourself, because one day your struggle may become greatest testimony. And maybe the most powerful part of this story is this: the young man you just listened to is not fictional. This story is real. It was me. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more motivational stories and life-changing content.